How you doing, Tiger? Puppy, puppy. What you got? What you guys got? What are you doing over there, sticker butt? Sticker butt. You're the girly. You're a girl. Are you silly? Are you silly? Are ya? Oh. That little girl that's talking to us and dancing is available. It's got her nose right in the camera. Puppy, puppy. What are you doing? This little belly's gonna go to Florida. This is Tiger. Tiger get his belly. There, guys. Chibi chibis. Chibi chibis. Chibi chibi chibis. Come here, baby. Chibi chibi. Oh boy, you silly. Are you cute? Are you cute? Yes. They're very, can't tell it, but they're pretty mellow. Sweet. Sweet puppies. Sweet, sweet puppies. Aren't ya? Are you a talker? Are you a talker? Huh? That little girl needs a home. Yeah. And this little guy, if he would get away from my feet. They like to get your feet. Hi, handsome. Hi, handsome. Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What you doing? Are you handsome? There they are. There they are. Where are you going? They're 6 weeks old. Doing good on their pottying. Like to play with the other dogs. Been socialized well. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. Starting to pick on each other. Cheep, cheep. Cheep, cheep. Get him. Go get him. Oh. Well. Are you cute? You're cute. You're cute. There they go. 100 miles an hour. Doing the Shiba 500. Nice looking bunch of black and tan Shibas.